Alyssa. How's everybody doing today? So, as you guys may know, I really love music. I play piano, guitar, ukulele, and I also sing. And I was gonna share with you guys something that I got in the mail to put in my room that has to do with music. So as you can see, I'm in my studio right now, and the thing I got from my room is a piano. I am so excited. Okay, I'm about to open it up. It's my first time seeing my new piano, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Ooh, it's wrapped really nice. This piano is from The One, and I'm so excited to play it. Ooh, look how nice this looks. Ooh, there's like a little film on the keys. I can't wait to take that off. Ready? Whoa, look at that. That was really satisfying. I loved that. It comes with a music stand too, which I absolutely love. And the color is so nice. They have a lot of different colors, but I chose white. Let me grab the stand and then we can plug it in and try it out. Before I set this up, I want to show you guys it can be battery operated, so you can take it with you and play it wherever, or you can plug it into your wall. Okay, time to go set this up. Well, setup was extremely easy, and now I'm ready to turn it on and test it out. Ooh, it works. Ooh, it sounds, do you hear that? Ooh, I have a little bit of pedal, that sounds nice. It sounds good.
Looks like you're enjoying it.
Definitely.
How about a perfect pitch test?
Ooh, yes. Okay, let me close my eyes.
Okay, Alyssa won't look. I will play a key.
D.
Good. Let's do it like this so everyone can see me and her at the same time.
F sharp. D.
Oops, I played D twice. Oops.
E. Pick some hard ones. F sharp. C sharp. A. B.
Well, she's not wrong, people.
That's fun. You know, I think I should go get Chloe and bring her down so she can check it out with me too. Hi, Chloe. Come here. Let's see, check it out a little bit. Here, that's better. Hi. Did you just wake up from a nap? Is that why your hair's all messed up? That's okay. Do you want to go see the new piano I got and test it out with me? Yeah? Look how fancy she's looking. Even her shoes are cute today. She's ready to go. Look at this, Chloe. What do you think? Do you maybe want to try it out? If you can reach it? What do you think about that?
Did you do that?
Can you play a note? That's a C. That's a D. That's an E. Those are the only 3 notes you need to know for now, because you're not 1 yet. What do you think? Let's try it again, huh? Ready? Good job! Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands! Yay! You're learning piano! Don't be sad! That's a good song for you, isn't it? I think you should try to learn it. Good job! That was the first note! She's gonna be an expert pianist. I can already tell. I'm gonna teach you how to play a scale, okay? Ooh, you're close. Here, ready? Watch. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. It's okay. We can work on the fingers later. Oh, you're so cute. Are you waving?
Are you saying hi?
I think she likes the piano just as much as I do. I think I'm going to teach you a little bit more about a scale. A C major scale. How does that sound? Here, let's play it again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 notes in a C major scale. You got that? To play any major scale, you just have to do the same pattern of whole and half steps. So you have to go whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Got it? Are you clapping? Are you enjoying this? Is it so much fun? Oh, she really does like it. Okay, so more about the scale. So here's a whole step, another whole step, but this is a half step because there's nothing in between it. A whole step, whole step, whole step, and half. And that's how you make a major scale. Let's try another major scale, something a bit different now. Let's start from D. How about that? That's one away from C. It goes whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. You like that? Okay, so just for review, Chloe, this is a whole step. It has a note in between. See how this is in between? C to D is a whole step. Here's another whole step, D to E. See how there's a note in between? If you go to E to F, that's a half step because there's no note in between. Got it? So here's another whole step, A to B, because there's a key in the middle. Here's another one, but this is a half step because there's no key in the middle because they're right next to each other. Here's another half step, but here's a whole step. I think you got it, right? She got it. So let's review a C major scale and what a whole step and a half step is. Got it? So let's play C major scale. Oh no, one more note. There. Good job. Let's do D major scale. Ready? D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and D. Now do you remember the difference between a whole step and a half step? A half step has no key between them, and a whole step has a key between them. Let's do a couple examples. Which one is this? That's a half step. Good job. Now what about this one? That's also a half step. But what about this one? That's a whole step because there's a note in between. And here's another whole step. There's a note in between. Sounds like you're playing some whole steps and half steps right now. Good job, Chloe. You're playing both hands. You're already so good at piano. Look at her go. She's so advanced for an almost 1-year-old. I'm very impressed, Chloe, I have to say. Good job. Yeah, I agree. Really? Yeah, that's true. Right, that is a whole step. You're so smart, Chloe. Wow. Good job. There's something else really cool about this piano I forgot to tell you. It comes with an app you can put on your phone, and you can learn songs from the app even if you don't know how to play the piano. You can do right hand, left hand, or both. See? Left hand, and it shows you the note to play, or right hand. So cool, right? Or it can play for you. There's so many songs. Here's Odd Lang Syne. A lot of you guys know this one. And now I'm gonna try it. And look how easy it is because it shows you where to play. Anyways, I love this piano so much. I love how I get to have it in my room. I love the design, the color, everything about it, and how as an app to teach you, it's just so much fun. I really enjoyed playing it, and I know Chloe did too. So make sure you guys check out The One Piano, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.